What's up, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I'm here next to an Autozam AZ-1. This is a bit of an unheard car on this side of the pond, but legendary elsewhere throughout the world. This is a Mazda. This is a tiny mid-engine sports car. Back in the day when mid-engine cars were all the craze, whether it was a Supercar, whether it was a Toyota MR2. This thing is gorgeous though. The Gullwing doors are not open right now, but much like a 300 SL Roadster, this thing looks sensational when you open them. But you also gotta see that there's not a lot of breathing room as well. Probably gets really hot in there, but you look cool, so it's all good. But check this out. That's about as much window air as you get in this car. Now, one of my favorite features is back here. And as a kid, the Vector W2 was the ultimate supercar. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It was built with jet engine parts. And it had a rear end that literally, this is a 3/4 scales design of. From the rear wing to how this back hood panel just is cut. It just brings back that Vector. And of course, the quad rear lights. Look at this insane splitter, beautiful tail exhaust. I love this car. This car is just beautiful, it's iconic, and it's also relatively unknown, which makes it even more special. What are your thoughts? Download the Throdle app. Follow me at I Would Buy This Ride on Throdle. Leave your comments below. We'll see you next time.